Guys, we're out here putting new LED lights into the Viper. We got it from JD Master, not sponsored of course, but oh, it seemed nice. I've seen some videos about it, so we're gonna see, and we're gonna go show you guys comparison shots of both sides. And one more thing to note, I forgot the blinker lights, so we're gonna wait till those come in. Unscrew the lights. There's gonna be 2 screws over here for the bottom one, and then 3 up here if you want to take a closer look. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see. We're in a sunny day right now, so yeah, we'll show you guys once it's done. Yeah, these are our setups for the rest of the lights. The bottom ones are done. Yeah, so these 10 pieces or however many in here is gonna be for the plate, and then the red ones are gonna be for the brake. And good. Yeah, so for the plate ones, it's pretty simple. You just unscrew the screws, pull it out, and just replace the bulbs. Alright, so all the lights are done. These lights are put in as well. And now we're about to test it. Yeah, we'll do the front lights soon. For now, just the back one's completed. And then we'll settle up with the blinkers as well soon. And also I'm sure we're gonna get some hyper flash. I already got the connectors in there, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And this is not like a tutorial video or anything, because on the RT10 it's pretty straightforward. 3 bolts on each side plus the other 2 for the bottom lights, and that's it. And we'll continue.